Welcome to VIP Quantum Tech. If you are new here, please subscribe and turn on notifications so that you don't miss new videos.
Getting creative with 3D printers is amazing, but it's not easy to print large, complex 3D models with typical 3D printers. Many of them cannot support the demands of high-quality, large-scale prints. Now there is. Introducing PrintHero, an affordable and effective 4K SLA 3D printer for large-scale prints. Featuring 293 by 165 by 400 millimeter build volumes, users can print extra-large projects that fit the size of their big dreams. Up to 3 kilograms of resin volume can be printed continually. Bring out the maximum of the creativity without adding resins many times. The 30 micrometer per hour print speed allows fast completion of large-scale projects while maintaining accuracy and reliability. PrintHero features a 4K resolution 13.3-inch LCD screen, achieves an XY axis resolution of 76 micrometers, Z axis resolution of 10 micrometers, and uniform exposure for 98% effective surface area. It's the perfect tool to unlock your imagination, and its user-friendly design makes it the best LCD SLA 3D printer for everyone. Although PrintHero has professional-level quality, its printing process is intuitive and simple. The hydraulic rod flip cover design allows you to operate it with one hand, saving time and effort. The 5-inch touchscreen lets you to preview the print model quickly, and the cable, USB drive, or Wi-Fi connections make data transfers easy. The durable all-metal body adds stability and gives the machine a sleek, modern look. PrintHero offers multiple resin types including water-washable resin, nylon-alike resin, and TPU-alike resin. But the printer is also capable with most available third-party resins, and you can use additional paints to achieve any color match you want. PrintHero is the ultimate large-scale 3D printer for designers, engineers, architects, manufacturers, and 3D printing fans. We are a team of enthusiasts with a mission to constantly push the envelope with creative products that improve the 3D printing experience for everyone. So if you need an industrial large-scale and high-precision SLA 3D printer that delivers bigger prints with higher precision, back us today and receive an exclusive discount on PrintHero.
Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and turn on notifications so that you don't miss new videos.